Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. Yesterday, we revised S1, that was changing families, and that was changes in a family. Today, we will revise leaving the S4. Let's begin with S3. Today, we will revise different reasons why people migrate. In S3, we will learn about Ramu, who left his village. Let's Okay, now we will revise about Ramu's story that we did it earlier. Do you remember? Ramu was living in a village and he did farming over there. But when a dam was built, he was forced to leave his village because merged. And then he and his family went to another city where small room and they had to go very far to do their job. Now, Ramu had no job. He became homeless and he was forced to leave his village. When he went, he had to face many problems like finding a house, and they were feeling like outsiders because they didn't know the local language. And sometimes family might of many reasons, like sometimes there is a famine, there is a drought, and they are forced to leave their place. Now it is the responsibility of local people to help the migrants, those who have come to their city. They can help them in finding a house or finding a job. They can make them feel welcome and show them important buildings, like hospitals and police station. They can tell them where these things are located. Now it's time to revise S4, that is move to another place, that is interlinked with S3. In S3 we read about Ramu, who was forced to leave the village. Now in S4 we will read about Anand, who moved to another city for better life, so that he can do a better job, to send his children in a better school, and he wanted to make his life better, so he moved to a big city. Anand moved from one city to another more out of choice, while Ramu was forced to move to another place. Anand moved out of choice to make his life better. He could get a better job, put his children in a good school, but Ramu, he was not able to do all these things for his family. Both faced many problems, like they were unable to find a suitable house to live in. Both had to travel long distances. They had to learn a new language. We also learned that when people migrate to another place, they bring in their own culture with them. Like they have different food habits, they use different language, and this adds more variety to the place. The buying and selling of things increases with more people, and this bring in more money. Now this is time for revision of S3, that I am showing you the picture. Now I am sure that you will be able to do it independently. Those who have not done it yet, they can do it. This is S4. Those who are unable to complete their work, they will be able to do it now after one more discussion. It's time for homework. You have to read block 1 again, complete S3 and S4. You have to complete your content book question answers. You have to do them in notebook if you have not done it yet. Till then, thank you, keep learning and stay home, stay safe.